Welcome students. In this introductory ecology part, today I will discuss the levels of ecological organization. Actually, this explains a step-by-step or hierarchical pattern of ecology. Under this study, there are some steps or sections or the levels. We can go through either ascending way or by a descending manner also. If we follow the ascending path, we can start from species or individual, then we can follow population, then community, then ecosystem, then biomes, and finally the biosphere. In these levels of organization, the individual or the species forms as the smallest one or level, and we consider the biosphere as the largest component. Now, we must have a basic understanding about all the levels clearly. Although in my previous lecture on introductory ecology I mentioned some of them, but here also I must mention that the lowest one or the lowest level explained by species, or some author mention it is as a individualistic approach or by the individual itself. So a species or a biological species can be explained by any organism which can separate from the other by reproductive isolating principles. Then, if we consider the population, a group of representatives or a group of species which can integrate within themselves, they form the population, like human population. Then, if we consider community, it's an assemblage of numerous populations, their interactions, and the subsequent reaction with the surrounding environments under various types of gradients or factors. Then the ecosystem, that is a particular area occupied by numerous type of organisms under various biotic and abiotic consideration. This ecosystem may be an aquatic ecosystem, a terrestrial ecosystem, and so on. If we move towards another higher levels, then we must go through the biome. That is a group of similar area with similar types of organisms and similar environmental gradients. These are known as biomes. And finally, the biosphere, that is the overall organisms, biotic, abiotic, everything which forms the earth and the biological regime. This is known as the biosphere. So in this way, we started from species onwards, then population, then community, then ecosystem, then biome, then biosphere. These are the basic levels of organization when we consider ecology or when we study ecology. Now, on the basis of this type of consideration, there are two types of understanding. One is ecological consideration, and the second one is ecological consideration. If we study in an individual, a single species, and its interaction with the surrounding environment, we can use the term ecology, or this type of study deals with ecological understanding. And when we study community attributes, the features, the characters, and their interactions under community, where various types of organisms, numerous populations interacts with the environment in various ways, they establish ecology. And this type of study explain ecological characterization. Thank you.